Welcome! Today we're drawing an armadillo, or a little armored one, from the letter D. So you're going to make your uppercase letter D, and then you guessed it, we're going to spin our paper so that becomes the half circle of the shell. And the shell in the middle part, the plates or armor move a little bit more, so we're going to divide the front and the back into bigger sections, and then through the middle we're going to make our curved lines where the armor has more movement. And they have a long tapering tail like a rat, so you can go any direction you want. You can see by the upper left I have it just curving forward a little bit, getting smaller as it goes to the bottom. And then for the head, we're keeping it really simple, a straight line on the bottom, and then just like a slide on the top for the top of the head to the nose. And then they have rather large ears, so we're going to put the two ears at the back of the head near the shell. And at the beginning you saw those interesting little dots they have going down the face, so I did that parallel line to show that. And we'll do our eye, nostril, and little mouth to give it a cute little look. And I'm just drawing two legs as though the other two are on the other side, and they have these long toes coming off. And then the tail, I'm going to put the dividers on the tail as well, like the little armor going down the tail, and giving them a little curve so it looks like it's going around a rounded object, but not too much, not worrying about it. It's a doodle meant to be fun. And then we're just going to put a zigzag line on just one side of the armor in the middle pieces and filling it in. So just little triangles attached to your line. And then the big armor in the front and in the back of the shell that they have, you can really do any type of design or pattern. I try to show something different on the left and then on the right, where one is just dots and the other one I've put some lines kind of curving around the shell with some dots. But experiment, try some different things. They're meant to be whimsical, not working on a realistic drawing, although I did put the photos at the beginning so that you could be inspired by what they actually do look like as a springboard. Thank you so much for joining me today with this drawing. I hope you enjoyed the process and the subject. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might enjoy it too. Until next time, keep creating.